The plans for our backrest slats call for it to have a length of 12.5 inches. The visible area, this is not including the tenons, is 11.5 inches. Each of those tenons are then a 1/2 inch. Currently, our backrest upper rail and backrest lower rail have a very good fit with the rear legs. If I measure the distance between my opening, which is my visible area for the slats, I get a measurement of about 11 and 15/32, which is 1/32 less than 11.5. I'm going to take this measurement at both ends and verify that the measurement is the same. In this case, it is. My visible opening is 11 and 15/32 of an inch. If I were to make this piece at 11.5 inches, that would push my lower backrest rail down 1/32 of an inch. Now I can widen the mortise hole location 1/32 of an inch down, and this will accommodate this variant. And because I have this flexibility, I'm going to proceed with making my backrest slat according to the plans at a finished length of 12.5 inches. And then each of these pieces will be re-squared and then stop block to a finished length of 12.5 inches. And when finished, my 8 pieces have a finished length of 12.5 inches by a finished width of 2 1/4 inches.